Good morning, everyone, and thank you for coming to our skill. My name is Piyapat. You can call me View. I will be your MC for today. Now, today our presenter is my best friend. She is talented in many areas and her special skill is cooking. Her favorite food to cook and it is fried egg salad spicy. She likes to make fried salad spicy for her friends to eat. I think her fried salad spicy is the best I ever eaten and I love it. Sometimes she suggest to make me do it. She is both a good friend and my personal chef. Her name is Natalia. Let's meet with her.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you, Piyapat and everyone for welcoming me. And thank you again for your attention. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Natalia Naraksa and you can call me Ploy. Now, I'm going to talk about some of my skills. I hope after you see, you will interested in learning more about them. So, my skill that I told you is cooking. I love to cook so much, and today I choose the best menu to tell you. My talk will be in three parts. I will begin by looking at the menu. Then I will move on to why I'm good at this menu. And the last, I will talk about how to cook this menu. Okay, first part, I would like to talk about the menu. The menu that I do the best and I want to show you is spicy fried egg salad. Do you know this menu? Or has anyone ever eaten this menu? This menu is fried egg to be spicy, makes it more delicious. I do this menu and eat it often. Then, in the second part, I will talk about why I am good at this menu. First, I have to say that I love to cooking and I love to eat. I like to eat spicy salad and fried egg, so I try to mix them together and the result was delicious. After that, I made it for my family and my friend eat. They said it was delicious. My friend told me it was amazing. I feel so proud of that. After that, I make this menu often, so it's become to my best dish. And finally, I will go on the last part, how to cook. First, prepare the ingredients. Don't forget the main ingredient is fried egg. After that, mix them together. Seasoning to your liking, sour, sweet or spicy. In the end, it will be delicious. This menu is easy to do. I hope you guys do it great if you want to cook. Okay, take me to the end of my presentation. Does anyone have any question? No? Is it interesting to you? Yeah, I hope it will be interesting to you and make you want to try it. Thank you for your attention again. Have a nice day. Goodbye.